Hey guys, on this episode, we're gonna go through this Lamborghini Aventador S and give it a full makeover. So we're gonna be removing all this previously installed stealth paint protection film that's on the car. It was what we would call a budget-friendly installation. And we'll show you a few reasons why in the video. Owners had some fun with it being stealth, and now he wants to go to the true gloss black that is the paint of the car. Gonna completely go through and revitalize the paint that's there, give it a full paint correction, really kind of get that deep glossy finish out of it, protect it with a ceramic coating. We're also gonna replace the stealth with full body paint protection film the right way to eliminate as many seams and edges and gaps as possible. Lots coming together for this. Show you everything that we're gonna do to the car. Hope you enjoy. All right, so as you can see behind me, Josh is actually taking off the old Stealth Clear Bra. Look how yellow that is. This car is only a couple years old. Subpar film, it fades in the sun, gets that UV damage, turns yellow. You get what you pay for at the end of the day. Again, we're getting all this off. We're gonna go completely gloss black after we finish going over the car and cleaning up the paint with the paint correction as well. That's gross. You don't want this.
So as you saw, we removed all the old PPF that was all over the whole car. It left a lot of adhesive. We took care of that, and now we're actually able to see all the fine swirling and scratches that the film is actually hiding. We're actually gonna step into our two-step paint correction. And for that, I'm using our Shine Supply Classic Cup with the microfiber cutting pad. This side is where we actually did a two-step paint correction, and that consists of actual cutting phase, which is removal of the defects and any imperfections that are in the paint. That comes with a polish as well, which actually gives us the ultimate amount of clarity we can get from the paint compared to the other side, which we haven't touched at all. So now that's all left to do in this process is just taking care of the whole rest of the vehicle.
So this vehicle is now through with the paint correction process. Left our detail bay. It's now up on our ramps here in the PPF station. We're going through and installing Xpel paint protection film on every panel in this car. It's going to be a full body protection film. Previously, as you saw, it had the stealth protection. Customer is ready for a little bit different look to it, so we're going to go back to the OEM glossy, but we're still going to fully protect the vehicle. Getting that paint protection film from front to back on every panel. We're also doing our deluxe installation, which means removing the side mirrors here so that we can eliminate that seam and actually get a full, complete, just one piece on the door. That's just a little bit better of an installation. You're not gonna have as many seams, as many gaps, and better fitment overall on the vehicle. Each panel, like I said, it's gonna be wrapped edges. We're gonna go through and really just take our time with it and make sure that's a really good, clean job, especially on a vehicle that's black. You can sometimes see a lot of that contamination. And hopefully this one will be ready for the weekend.
All right, so we're about to ceramic coat this Lambo with our Fynlab PPF and vinyl coating. So since this whole vehicle got a full paint protection film package, we're gonna be doing our Fynlab PPF and vinyl ceramic coating, which has a layer of chemical protection. It'll give an extra layer of hydrophobic properties, make it a lot more easier to wash and to really maintain that paint protection film.